Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15fq4030ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15fq4030ns won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty hard drive flex cable, which connects the hard drive to the motherboard. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage to your device or loss of data. To fix this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Firstly, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, begin by placing it upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw securing the back panel. Be careful to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once all screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Inside, locate the hard drive flex cable connected to the hard drive and motherboard. This cable is typically flat and ribbon-like. Disconnect it by carefully lifting the connector tab without applying too much force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently remove the hard drive from its bay. You may need to unscrew it if it is secured with screws. Once removed, take the new flex cable and connect one end to the hard drive and the other end to the motherboard. Ensure that it is seated properly and the connectors are secure. Replace the hard drive back into its bay, ensuring it fits snugly. Next, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace all screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tightened, but be cautious not to over-tighten them. Once everything is back together, power up your device to check if it boots up correctly. If it does, congratulations on a successful repair. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure your laptop is kept in a dry environment and avoid any sudden impacts that could damage internal components. Regular maintenance also helps in keeping your device in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.